My first impression of Williamsburg is incredible. I walk through this gorgeous park on my way and I see a sign that Williamsburg starts here. So I am about to cross the street and experience the hotel, and I'm instantly greeted with warmth, literally, because this is warming. And a cute doggy is so cute that's welcoming me in the entryway as well. I am immediately impressed by the warmth and the fall decorations and the welcoming vibe of this place, but it's also very elevated at the same time. So I really admire how they captured both the openness and welcoming feel while staying elevated. I love these furniture sets, the interesting chairs. And when I walk outside, this is where they host the beach club during the summer. The pool's covered right now because winter, but just super impressed at how much space there is, because I feel like this is really rare. The bar is to my right, and I have a couple people coming over to do a meeting with, so I have to pick a spot that makes a lot of sense for us to meet. So maybe it's out there, maybe it's in the lobby, and maybe it's in this restaurant downstairs, which I am just shocked at how much I love. The deep green, the deep browns, the private feeling nooks. Obviously it's before they open, but you can feel that the vibe of this place closed would be immaculate during the hustle and bustle. So maybe I'll take the meeting there, or I can take the meeting in this co-working space that they have with additional incredible furniture. Let's take a sneak peek at the gym. Ooh la la, I see Peloton. I see all of the equipment I could ever possibly need. Love this. Okay, so back to the co-working space, and maybe I'll go upstairs, see if there's any seating up there. There's a couple of board tables that I could use. Again, just so impressed by the amount of furniture that's like perfect for hosting. So I take the elevator up to the 7th floor. The top floor is the 8th floor, which is where the rooftop is. I'm loving this full body mirror. Let's go. And I walk down the hallway, and the lighting is super cool. And then I open the door. I've already brought my luggage up, and instantly I am just taken aback. Unreal. So I'm in the hallway and I'm making my way to the bedroom, and there's this giant, clean, crisp bed waiting for me, this giant balcony that I can host a million people at. There's so much space. To the right of me is the city of Manhattan. So if I lean over the balcony, I can see that. The rooftop is up above, which is super fun and easy and convenient. I love this chair so much. And there's a giant TV as well, and a giant bathtub. The bathroom is separate, which I really like. The shower is ginormous, which I really like. I love these double sinks. I love how with the bathtub, the city cannot see in, but I can see the city. And this wood paneling makes it feel really wellness forward and very sauna-esque. So that's a really nice breakup to the whites and the marble. I love the flooring on the floors itself, the chair, desk area, lots of storage on my left, full body mirror. That's one entrance. This is the living room, and that couch pulls out to a queen bed. This is the second entryway, which is cool. There's 2 different ways to enter. There's the kitchen and the bar, the second patio, the dining room table, and the third patio. This is unreal, and it's right off the kitchen. Hi, doggy. So we can host people from there, have dinner up here, and then this balcony wraps around. Again, Manhattan's to the right, and you can kind of see the busyness pick up as well. So this is the balcony, obsessed with it, and there's another bathroom right here. So ladies, if you know, you know, I will probably be storing all of my makeup and hair products in this one. We get a full shower, sink, and toilet. Love the marble work. I'm really, really impressed. So overall, we could host so many people in this space, and I love that it is entertainment forward. The bar is fully stocked, which helps. And the floor plan is awesome because the living space feels separate from the sleeping and kind of relaxing spa space. This is the third balcony that also wraps around. So that's my breakdown. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I have slept on Williamsburg/Brooklyn being a place to go because I always stay in Manhattan. But the quiet here and the ease of getting to the city is something I totally slept on. So I am really appreciative to have stayed here, experienced this, and I will absolutely be back. The staff is amazing. The amenities are amazing. The spaciousness is amazing. You're just not going to see this unless you're paying $3 grand a night in the city. So I really feel like the value is incredible here. And I'm really appreciative that they were so excited to collaborate. So I will absolutely be staying here almost every time I come to the city unless I need to be directly next to somewhere else. But I really appreciate the Coda Williamsburg, and I wholeheartedly give it my 10 out of 10 review. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.